light on the wood, Zach.
Mine
there you go.
Which one?
Your shit. There you go.
Right.
Keep it on the wood. (2001) April 7th, 10:25.
Sam gonna light it?
Yeah. If you just put that right down there in that little.
No, don't stay so late. See if this.
Y'all got to get it closer than that.
It'll be alright. It'll go.
Go get the gas.
Throw it on the other side.
Hey, just
Throw
stay
it-
away. Stay away.
Throw one on the other side.
It's gonna poof up. Yeah. That might do it, but
No, push it farther in there to
show you. Yeah, just get up in that ceiling. It'll
the.
go.
See that wood right there? Sam, you gotta. There you go.
Travis, there's gas all over that.
That'll
I
go.
kinda
That'll
smell
go.
it.
That'll go. All right, stand back a little bit. Just stand back. It'll go, Travis.
I don't want to burn my eyebrows off.
I think that tissue's gonna go out.
Damn!
Yes, it is.
Man, I smell so much gas coming off of that.
Throw
That
it up
thing's
on
about to
top of there.
explode.
It's not burning.
Throw one on top of it.
Yeah, throw another one on
Dear
top.
God, do you smell that?
How do I put it back on standby?
Just give me the match.
Stand by.
Watch out,
Dude,
Travis.
jump away.
Right there.
That's the way you do it.
The grass is on fire, man.
Oh, it'll go out.
Yeah, that'll go.
The hose is on.
Look at Sam High's all
Hose doesn't
worried.
need to be on. Is it on?
You smell the gas? Maybe that's my drink.
That'll go out.
Starting the fire?
The gas.
Yeah. Zach, get out of my way.
Ooh.
I'm watching the fire.
Didn't mean to burn my nice turf.
All right, Sam.
That's
Jump
gonna
in
burn.
there real quick.
That's
You
Sam.
get in there, Jeff. You get in there.
You got to tell me about your lighting
More
experience.
gas.
What was it
More
like,
gas all
Don't
the
Sam?
way
worry about
around
the lighting
and then back
experience. We
up.
just get it. Everybody get a fan.
Sam, what was it like to hold that match and let her burn, let her rip? Tell us about it. Were you nervous?
The adrenaline is pumping.
Yeah?
Anybody want to sit on the seat?
We're at the second annual National Sycamore Tree Burning
Say, you want to
event.
sit on the seat?
All right.
Anybody
This is
want
up
to
in
sit
flames,
on
baby.
the seat?
The open smoke
I think it needs a lot more gas.
Open smoke.
tour.
Too late now.
No, it's not. Let's go get like something that sprays gas. Like put a bunch of that gas like in a big squirt.
Just fill up
Hey,
the cups and just throw it
don't
out.
you have one of those super soakers? We'll fill that with gas and just.
That would be cool.
That'd be a flamethrower.
It's not ready to go off.
It is going pretty good though.
Watch this. Watch this.
Hey, will you light my cigarette off of there, Sam?
That whole thing can go up.
It's gonna go. I just hope that it's stable because the middle is a great big log.
Log, yeah.
A thick
Filled,
one.
doused with
Go,
gas.
go dump something on the other side and get both sides
Yeah,
burning.
do that.
No,
Seriously,
no, no.
It'll go. It'll go.
douse it on the other side and then flail it over, and then it'll just spark up like.
Just keeps popping up.
Stop, drop, and roll. Dude, it's starting to really get.
No, I go with this plastic because I need to. Because
I'm wondering. I'm hoping it's not gonna.
Jake. Jake.
Is that fire resistant?
That
I'm
would make some good firewood, wouldn't it?
Huh? It's really dry.
My gosh, I wish I had one of those when I was.
Hey, the hose is on. Yeah.
Thing's huge.
No. Hey, go turn off that hose. Go turn off that water. You guys
They're standing over there. They're standing over what by.
We don't need that.
Start this kind of fire. Do that.
Spray that little
You know what,
spot of
though?
water out there.
Hey, if you had why don't you have something to put on the end?
I do, but
There, look, it's starting to burn at the top.
are at the home of Phil G. Sakaluski at the Greater Sycamore 2nd Annual Burning Festival.
As you can see,
we
it's
have a
hot.
She's a burning.
38-year-old sycamore redwood tree that's on fire. Here at this annual event, we have participants from all over the world. We have Sonia from Germany.
Hi, Sonia. Love you too. Narinjan?
Karen,
Oh, I'm on Narinjan.
Warren from Georgia.
Damn, Sam.
He didn't get that.
Kara, you gonna flip Sam
And
off again?
I'm sorry, Phil. I've been drinking a little too many Wapatusis. Then we got Jeff
Okay.
Bosman,
Uncle Jeff Balsman.
Uncle Jeff.
Official
Jeff.
stoker.
He's the official stoker. We got
Narinjan Nimkar.
Narinjan.
What do you have to say?
What do you have to say, Narinjan?
It's too hot here. That's
Is that all you have to say? We got Lil Scott Walsh the first and Lil Scott Walsh the second.
Jake,
We got Dave Page from Georgia.
what do you got to say, Jake? You like the fire? David?
We got a potential
What's up, man?
cave in
How you
over
doing?
here.
Oh yeah. Why don't you just light it on the little fire over here? You don't need a lighter.
Don't push it.
We got the stoker. Look at the stoker in action. Please get the stoker. Look at him doing his job.
It's gonna pick that.
We're paying him pretty good to be the national stoker for this young fine.
I gotta tell you, that was a nice teepee. It has stayed up for some time now.
Yes, it was.
You're okay.
Say fine
happens
looking
to happen.
teepee. See, people here I can see perfectly.
It's okay. Oh well.
Now
You're from Germany, Sonia?
Yeah, I grew up in Germany.
You did?
Yeah,
What part?
Nuremberg.
Oh yeah, I've been there many times.
You like it?
Oh yeah, it's nice. I like the pubs.
Yeah.
Phil,
Pubs are the best.
do you think Sonia's really feeling the love today?
She looks like she's feeling the love. Hey Ed, need a word from you.
I'm Ed.
Thank you.
2 words. 2 words. You got twice your money's worth.
They're real early. Find out where he hangs out.
I
There's
believe that's
Zachary.
6 words.
Zachar's taking some cuts from the pitches of. Oh yeah, he's making contact on every one.
Find out what Kelly's saying.
I have a sunburn.
And there's Susan Jackson, Action Jackson.
That little pre-sweat bitch.
It's too late. You're already on film.
Me?
Susan. She's running.
Sorry, grenade.
Bye,
Food. You know what I'm saying? You drunk bastard. You said a food.
We'll miss you.
Now you said you want a.
Okay, now tell me.
Well, it's wondering a yacht of smoke.
Yeah, and Zach, what do you got to say? What do you know? What do you know? Hurry.
My baseball game is about.
You like your baseball game?
Yeah.
All right, is that enough?
No.
What else?
Now you're swimming. And can we go to